Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to use training and development to increase your company revenue. Assuming revenue is your goal, then your revenue largely depends on adding and keeping your customers. After all, these are going to feed into your revenue. Adding customers often involves sales and marketing. There are other teams that help as well, but when it comes to adding and onboarding new customers, your sales and marketing are two of your biggest heavy hitters. And when it comes to keeping customers, if you have good quality and you have good customer support, then it's much easier for you to keep customers. And here's where your training and development comes in. Your training and development can provide customized services for each area. For sales, your training and development can enable your sales and sales reps with product knowledge, sales processes, etc. For marketing, they can educate. That means to help your audience understand your product, educate the public, so to speak. For quality, your training and development can assist in your quality assurance efforts by properly training and developing your staff in areas such as quality processes, quality standards, etc. And for support, your training and development can provide support guides and manuals for your customers to make their lives much easier. It's also going to help your customer support calls. If your customer has any questions, contacting your support staff, they can quickly point to user-friendly manuals to quickly guide the customer through the process. It's going to save everyone's time, and I'm sure your customer is going to appreciate the time they get back by going through this efficiently. So, in summary, your training and development serves as a catalyst in your company. By itself, it does not do much, but when paired with others, it enhances everyone else, and by doing so, can boost your revenue. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Feel free to check out my personal homepage, yangandesign.com. The URL is in this video. You can find it at the bottom of the screen. And you're also welcome to connect with me on LinkedIn. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have a good one.